Before Association of Professional Builders, my business partner had told me for years that he felt a lot of the inconsistency in our sales is that we didn't have a written, structured sales process. We would have a month of 2 or 3 sales, and then we'd have a couple months of 0 sales. We had great systems for building the home and keeping houses on track, but through Association of Professional Builders, it's now in written, step-by-step, repeatable systems so that my staff can do their job whether I'm here or wherever I want to be. They have something called construction slots, and you can pull this screen up and look and say, here's what we need you to do if you'd like to build with us. And if they choose to go, it's a next step process, and we just hold their hand through. You know your slots, you plug in your dollars, APV does all the other work. It shows you how much money you're going to have by month, quarter, and year. And that's what Association of Professional Builders does. It builds credibility, it builds trust. I have recommended them to 2 builders in our market because we are professionals and we deserve to be treated and respected like professionals. We set a goal to hit in 2022 and we exceeded that goal. It's worth every penny times 10.